guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It would truly help our channel. Happy reading! Hi everyone. So this is My Wife, chapter 43, titled Look So Different in Dreams. Let's start reading. Why didn't Xiaoxun come for dinner? Ay, brother niya, no? Diba, mahirap sila, pero kita mo naman yung ano nila, yung pagkain nila everyday. Laging 3 to 4 dishes. He mentioned he would live in the academy for a while. Kami, noodles lang, kanin. Sa kanila, yung mahirap sa kanila, 3 dish eh. Why would he live in the academy all of a sudden? Bakit kaya? I've no idea. He looked pretty anxious about it. What's wrong with Xiaoxun? Okay. What's happening to Xiaoxun? I'm so glad I sabotaged my uncle's plan. Unfortunately, I can't go to Zhao's and have dinner with her. Why? Why weren't you able to go home to your sister? However, my great aunt gave me some allowances. Dahil sa pera, be? Just because of the money? Goodness. I won't have to starve myself in the academy or get punished in the Go family. I'll find him and give him some money. I've already given him. Oh, so the aunt that he's referring is this one. I didn't know you had a money. Even I. I didn't know as well. Never naman binanggit, diba, na may pera siya. I didn't explain operas to people for nothing. Oh, pinagpirahan niya yung mga stories niya. What? I didn't expect you to make money out of it. Well, you just done all those things. The more 1, 2, 3, 4. See? Told you 4 dishes. And I sold the pain reliever. You no longer needed them anyway. Pain reliever. Oh, okay. Yung ginawa niya. You have done this before, haven't you? You mean selling medicine? Maybe. O, diba? Sige. Pabuang-buang na yun ba? However, the medicine I sold wasn't any pain reliever. Kung hindi yun pain reliever, ano yun? It was Filtry? Ano yan? What? What's that? Ma-research ko nga later. Oh. Please, sell the medicine to me, ma'am. I wanted to. I know you care about me the most. Aba, ganito karami yung mga nagpipilahan para sa gamot na yun. According to historical records, Virtue's Empress used to sell Filtry to consorts. Please give it to me. She also accepted bribes and manipulated the women in the harem. Don't try to butter me up. The person who beats the highest will serve the emperor. Baka totoo talagang she's the queen, no? Yulang has gone to provincial capital for the exam. He won't be back until next month. Ang tagal naman bago siya makauwi. Next month pa? Xiaoxun also moved back to the academy. Oh, so it means kayo lang ni Jiaokung? Jingkung. Jingkung pala. The house is so quiet without them. Oh, where am I? Oh, another dream. Here comes another dream. This is a huge day for you, miss. You're accepted as the Honorable Miss Go now. Many people in the old residence are expecting you now. Hindi naman siya yung totoong Miss Go ah. Come on, Miss Go. Is that me? Ay! Oh! Oo nga. Why would I dress like that? Okay. Welcome home, Miss Go. Lady Ling. Ah, I'm sorry for what you've been through all these years. So makikita na niya yung future. Malalaman niyo na tuloy in advance na ito yung totoo niyang mother and father. You will live with us now. We will protect you from now on. You won't have to suffer anymore. Swish. Okay. She was been transported. Saan kaya siya na-transport, ano? Tignan natin. Miss Go, which one are you interested in? Music, chess, calligraphy, or painting? Medicinal siya interested eh. Ba't nila tinatanong yan? Alam nilang sa mahirap siya lumaki. Many ladies in the capital city have learned them all. I can't do any of them. Scratch. Ito namang impostora, tuwang-tuwa. I hope you can all attend the poetry club in 3 days. I'm sure you will like my poetry riddles. Okay. So si impostora, nagmamalaki pa rin kahit alam niyang hindi siya yung totoong miss ko. Kahit siya naman talaga yung sampid sa pamilya. Mostly sa mga ganyan talaga, no? Sa bagay, yun kasi yung nakagisnan nila eh. Sure, it's a deal. We won't reject an invitation from an accomplished lady like you. Accomplished lady. Ninakaw niya yung future na para kang ano eh. Para kang Gujo eh. Gojin, you look so brilliant. I look like a joke in front of her. Oh, so sad. But why are you thinking like that? What a worthless country girl. What a clumsy little girl. Why did they bring her back? She's no match for Miss Genio. She looks like a clown in front of Miss Genio. No, that's not true. I'm not. That's not true. Kalimitan talaga sa mga ganyang story. Wait! Don't leave me! Wait for me! I didn't do anything wrong. Those were supposed to be mine. I will take them back. Or supposedly, sa kanya naman talaga yun, pinagpalit lang talaga. Gujiao, I've been nothing but kind to you since I took you back. Why would you do such a despicable thing? I'm so disappointed in you. I did it because someone sowed discord between us. Those were rightfully mine. Don't try to find excuses for yourself. Guards, Take her to their residence on the outskirts of the capital city and leave her to be. Don't ever show your face here. It wasn't my fault. So, yun ang mangyayari sa kanya pag tinanggap niya. Swoosh, swoosh. If I knew this was to happen, I wouldn't have come back in the first place. Oh, namatay siya na walang kasama. If I didn't return to the capital, things might end differently. What's with that dream? Is there something wrong with me? What a peculiar dream. It was so unlike me in that dream. I would never be jealous for Gujinyu and let myself be fooled to do such a thing. I certainly won't be desperate for family love. Gujinyu made a fool of herself by picking on me like that. If I really want to get someone out of my sight, I would make it look like an accident. So, what would exactly will happen? Tingnan natin. I can't believe it. They charge 2 taels for a room. That is just robbery. Who is he? These rooms are for candidates for prefectural exams and municipal exams. Once the examinations are over, the price will fall. Oh, parang ano lang siya, seasonal price, ganun. Here is the medicine for diarrhea Guja prepared for you. I've never allowed myself to submit to the temptation of street food. They kept me going to the restroom all night. It's getting late, Lilyang. We had a long day. It's time to get some rest. Okay, you can go ahead and rest first. Oy, naalala niya si Kujo. She's not here. I don't know if I can sleep. Char, hindi ka na makatulog pag hindi mo siya katabi. May ganon. Alright, that's the end of this chapter. Whew, that was so intense. So, yan yung magiging future niya pag bumalik siya sa Marcus of Dingan family, the Gu family. So, let's see if mangyayari ba talaga yan sa future. Babalik ba talaga siya sa capital? Babalik ba talaga siya sa Gu family? We don't know yet. So, see you on the next chapter. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye! Hi, thank you for reading with me, everyone. Until the next chapter.